Back from my workout. It was rough and I lost my earrings. I ran so fast and I don't run ever. And my earrings fell off. So I lost my hoops and it's fine. I don't know why I wore hoops in the first place to go to that class, but we are just gonna get ready for the day. Gonna add a touch of moisturizer, barrier restore cream. Also guys, I literally was trying to film in this corner right here and I spilled my entire matcha. Oopsie. All over my white carpet. Great start to my Monday morning. This is my finished look. I might add a little bit more blush because this is not given. It's a Clinique Black Honey blush. I love this. I've had this for years actually, and I kind of just got back into using it. I am quite heavy-handed with it, but it's fine. And I go in with this brush and I diffuse everything. I'm a blush girl through and through. This is what it looks like. Drink water. Okay, let's go choose my outfit. I look like a mom. I have this blue blouse, yellow pants. We're going to a pottery class, so I felt like this is fun, creative, kind of gives me that vibe, if you know what I mean. My favorite perfumes at the moment, this is the Glossier perfume and a Dead Cool perfume in Extra Milk. I love these two together. This is probably one of the fragrances that I get the most compliments on. I think we're ready to go.
Brittany.
Thank you. Green juice. Okay, I'm currently in the car waiting to go into work. Look at my nails. I'm wearing this zip-up jacket. I didn't really get to do like a cute outfit moment, but I'm wearing a white crew neck. I always wear this white crew neck. It's just super comfortable, and I feel like it matches with all my outfits. And I'm just gonna zip this back up because why the hell is it like Antarctica right now? This is my cute little bag that I got from one of the cutest creators, but her name is the Hanny Diaries on TikTok. I'll probably just put it right here. She's literally the sweetest person ever, and she made me this little embroidered bag with a little bikini on it. I'm just gonna go through a few things that I do keep in my bag while I wait because it's still kind of early for me to go in. I have my blue light glasses. These are so cute. They're from Bonnie Clyde. So cute. I have a pair of my sunnies. I love them so much. These are so cute. These are from Crap Eyewear. Mints. This mint, okay, this is the spiciest mint I've ever had in my life. It literally just makes my mouth, makes your throat cold, and it's sugarless. Sorry, I'm like all over the place. I'm just gonna go through a little bit more and then I have to go in. My jet lag mask that also Hanny got for me. I just use it as like hand cream at work because my hands get super dry. Feminine products because I never know when I'm gonna get it. One of my favorite lippies, these are the Ola Henriksen peptide lip treatments. I have all of them. I love them all, okay? They're amazing. And then I have Salt and Stone deodorant. I have eye drops. I wear contacts. If you guys don't know, I'm literally legally blind. It's so bad, but I wear contacts, okay? A couple of hair ties that were also sent from Hanny, and then band-aids. But yeah, that's everything I keep in this little bag that I bring to work. I do have to head in now, and I'll see you guys after work. I just got off of work. I feel like I look disgusting. It's fine. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna cook a little bit. I know today's Tuesday and I usually have pickleball Tuesdays, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we're just gonna head home. We're here to play pickleball. currently on the way to work. I put on this jacket because it's literally freezing and it's super windy. I feel like I have allergies or something because of the wind, but it's fine. Currently getting ready for bed. Just washed all my makeup off. Let me give you a little update of what I've done. Pickleball. I had pickleball today. Cooked dinner and I kind of just rotted in bed for a little bit. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys this cute little hair clip that I got in PR. This is from Karst. I think they're based in Texas and they make hair clips that come with charms on it. I want to clip my hair out of the way so I can get ready to do my skincare. The first thing I'm going in with is this Tear Milk Skin Essence, I believe. My cousin got it for me while she was in Korea. Shout out to Amanda. This on my skin is just heavenly. This is the Rhode Barrier Butter. My skin has been so dry. My skincare at night is pretty minimal just because I don't want to like overdo it while I'm sleeping. I have a lot to prepare for tomorrow. Going on a social shoot tomorrow for my work. I'm gonna go in with Rhode Lip Balm, and this is the Watermelon Slice. I haven't used this in a minute. I've actually kind of been liking a natural lash look recently. I don't know, I feel like I look clean. Let's get ready for bed. Good morning. I have to get ready. I look so puffy. We have a social shoot for work today, so I kind of have to get ready quick. This is my finished look. I'm in between two shirts, wearing red pants. It's gonna be my outfit. A little scent situation. This is my favorite deodorant right now. It's the Salt and Stone Santal. Just gonna put some on. I like mixing these two. I love this Glossier Rev perfume. It smells so good on me. And the extra milk. I'm running out of her, unfortunately. Oof. I layer this on top of almost every perfume. This is my outfit. I brought home some flowers from the social shoot and I'm making a little arrangement for my room because my lilies are dead. Just gonna add these here, little sprouts. That's super cute. Okay, and that one just goes right here.